Hello everyone, I'm Patrick Sheary, Curator Furnishings and Historic Interiors here at the DAR Museum. And today, this is the second part of our two-part series on putting together the Girandoles and unpacking them. And last time you saw, if you recall, if you haven't seen it, please watch it, the unpacking of the Girandoles from their crate. They were shipped over here from London, England. And today, now that they've been all unpacked and ready to go, we are going to do this quick time lapse on putting them together. So hope you enjoy it.